turn it on again? Push the button. Olivia, push. Oh, I think Olivia wants to push the button. Sethy, you can push the button on your ducky again. Okay, Olivia, push your button. Push the button, Olivia. Push the button on your bunny. Olivia, push the button on your bunny. Got it? Do you need help?